This lesson is about DIY and home improvement enhanced by ChatGPT. It's a Saturday, I have some free time, I want to get crafty, but I just have no idea how to do that or what to even get started with. So what can I build with 4 cardboard boxes, nails, screws, red and blue paint, a 2x4, an old wooden box, and a piece of pipe I have at home? These are just some random objects I have lying around my house, and I would love to put them to some use, but I just don't know what to do with them. Okay, so with the materials you have at home, there are a number of creative things you can build depending on your interest and skill level. Here are some ideas: a bookshelf, and it tells me sort of how to do that, a birdhouse, a storage bin, and a desk organizer. I can ask ChatGPT to expand on any of these and say, give me step-by-step instructions on how to build a birdhouse or how to build a bookshelf. And if those instructions weren't detailed enough, I could pick any of the points in any of the steps it gave me and say, please expand on step 1 or step 2 or step 3, etc., etc. So you, from a list of random objects in your house, can have ChatGPT help you construct something from scratch. Let's say you have a different kind of question for DIY home life. How do I reset my circuit breaker? And there we have it. Here is the instructions on how to reset a circuit breaker. Identify the tripped circuit breaker, turn off all electrical devices, reset the breaker. To reset the breaker, first switch off the tripped circuit breaker to the full off position, then switch it back to the on position, test the circuit, and there you have it. For a last example, let's have ChatGPT help us install an electrical outlet. Step-by-step guide to install an electrical outlet. It's important to exercise caution and follow safety guidelines. Materials and tools. This is really cool. Right off the bat, it's giving us a list of things we're going to need. Here, a 7-step guide on how to install an electrical outlet. From turning off the power in the area, planning the location, installing the box, installing the cable, connecting the wires, installing the output, and testing the outlet. This is truly incredible, and I hope you see how you can use ChatGPT to help you in your DIY projects.